I earned my first 1 lakh using just my phone, and I will share exactly how I did that in skill number 3. But before that, let me save you from wasting time on the gimmick methods everyone talks about. Affiliate marketing, dropshipping, blogging, surveys, data entry, even tutoring. Most either pay peanuts, need massive traffic, or turn out to be scams. So instead, I will show you 7 real skills that can actually help you earn from your phone. And by the end of this video, you will know which one could be your fastest path to earning your first 1 lakh. Number 1, selling custom gifts. This method will always have a good local market. You can make name frames, gift printables, or custom design. Use Canva or AI to create unique ideas that stand out and market them through organic social media content. If you crack local deals, it becomes much easier to go international later with both money and skill on your side. This is way different from affiliate marketing, where you work hard to promote products of others, but here you are actually building your own real business and brand in long run. Number 2, content creation. You already have a phone, that is enough to start. Begin with shorts, then grow into long form YouTube content. Leave aside monetization. You will not only get confident day by day, but you will also learn video editing, thumbnail making, SEO, and the overall content process. Because you have to do all this yourself in the beginning. I myself failed twice on YouTube. Reason? I chose the wrong niche. I tried to copy Dhruv Rathi and even made 36 videos, promoted them, and got 6k subscribers. But failed because my real strength was freelancing and website development. I even tried a gaming channel because of the trend, but failed in that too. But the thing is, you get experience from mistakes. Now, after around 5 years, I restarted again with the proper niche. I know reaching an audience organically is the way, because even after spending 50,000 rupees on ads and promotions, I failed badly. So the main thing is just start if you even have a bit of interest. Number 3, script writing for YouTubers. This is underrated but powerful. I earned my first 1 lakh from mobile by writing articles for my blog. At one point, I even had 5 writers working with me, most using just phones. Now, blogging may be dead, but YouTube script writing is growing. Many creators need well-researched scripts. If you can research and find content gaps and then write powerful script and hooks, you can make a lot of money. Number 4, AI-powered services. AI can do a lot from your phone. Resumes, cover letters, social media pack, translations, data analysis, even art and logos. But here is the truth. Just typing random prompts won't help. You need to actually learn prompting. How to write unique prompts that generate results which stand out. Not the same copy-paste outputs everyone else is doing. Once you master prompting, you can pick a niche you like and turn that into a service. That is how AI becomes a real earning tool and not just a toy. Number 5, content creation for local businesses. Approach local businesses and offer to create ads, reels, or video content for their products or services. Many don't know how to market online, but if you can bring a simple content strategy to them, they will happily pay. This skill has a lot of potential because eventually you can learn marketing for businesses and even build a great business for yourself. Number 6, selling local products that are already famous. One of my friends sold Kashmiri pickles and got all organic orders because the product was already famous in Kashmir. Tourists visiting were actually searching for the exact same item. You don't need a website to start. Instagram plus WhatsApp is enough. However, if you can invest in a website which you can build yourself for just 3 to 5,000 rupees, it will increase your chances of getting search engine traffic. And if you cannot spend, just make a free website on Framer and list your products with your WhatsApp number. That alone will help. Moreover, there are a lot of product people search online that already have strong demand. So if your TR state has something famous, you can sell that too with just simple organic marketing. Number 7, freelancing using online platforms. Once you gain some experience from the above skills, the next step is to move to freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms are accessible and give you a global client base. So these 7 are the most practical skills I have seen to start earning from your phone.